Welcome! In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a website for your video game store. Now if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with the MultiSites service, MultiSites is the easiest way to launch a one-page website for your video game store. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top now and I'm going to search for my market, video game store. And there it is. I'm now going to select that template. Awesome. Let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our video game store so it can generate a one-page website. I'm now going to put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the MultiSite service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Great. Let's tell MultiSites a few more basic details. How can our customers get in touch with us? Whoops. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my phone number as well as my email address. Let's click continue. Where is our video game store located? Let's go ahead and put in our street address as well as our postal code. I'm now going to click on continue. Great, let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 8 a.m. and we close at 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I'm going to say we closed on a Sunday. Closed. Awesome. Let's do a quick review. Let's make sure everything's in order. If you need to make amendments, head to updates, hours, or location. But everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. And there you have it. MultiSites has literally generated a one-page website for my video game store. Let's take a closer look. Awesome. So the beauty of MultiSites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images. You can see they're very high quality. However, if you need to make amendments, perhaps you've got your own images of your video game store and maybe you need to make one or two changes to the content that's pre-written, you can do that. It's really easy. You don't need to know coding and you don't need to hire a web developer to help you or even know any web developing skills yourself. It's super simple. So I'm going to walk you through the top to the bottom through each section just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. I'm first going to click on update section at the top and click on show email and site. My email address is now displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. My physical address, is located in the top left hand corner. And the great thing about it is my customers can click on it and be taken directly to Google Maps so they can get directions to my video game store. Let's head to update social links. I'm now going to put in our Instagram page. Feel free to give us a follow and let us know how you are enjoying the MultiSite service. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well, and the icons will be displayed here in the top right hand corner. Let's move along. Over here, I'm now going to head to update section and head to update logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out the canva.com website. There are a few free grace options there. However, if you already have your own logo, go ahead and browse from your device and upload one. Awesome. Let's make sure that's saved and let's move along. We can make it bigger and smaller, so I'm going to make it slightly bigger, save my logo, and move along. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout your MultiSites page that have been pre-selected for you, I guess you can call this like a teal, greeny blue color. Perhaps your branding is a completely different color. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color options available to you. Let's check it out. Let's see this one. No, not quite. I really like that one. Let's have a look at a few more options. Let's take a little bit more. That looks great. That also looks great. So I think I'm going to go with the orange. I think that looks awesome. I'm going to save that one and move along. Now, as I said, we've pre-written all the content for you. Images are pre-selected and they're all high quality and they all are completely royalty free. You can use them. There's no licensing needed for them. But if you need to make amendments, head to update section and head to update image. Now, if you have your own images, go ahead and browse from your device and upload it. Otherwise, search the photo library. There are hundreds to choose from. Multi-sites will automatically search for video game store, but play around with the terms a little bit. So let's put in video game and see what comes up. Let's check it out. Awesome. So I think I'm going to go ahead and select this one over here. I'm now going to select that photo and save my image selection. Let's see how that looks. That actually looks pretty good, so I'm leaving it as is. I'm now heading to update content, and over here you can change the title and subtitle to suit your needs. Button can link to various places, so perhaps you don't want it to say get directions. Let's put it as get in touch. Head over to choose link. We can link to another website or another part of our multi-sites page. An action, which I'm going to link to, click to call. But another one of my favorite options is the PDF file. So you can upload maybe a catalog of all the different titles you have in stock. Maybe you have some promotions running. Pop it in a PDF file and upload it over there. Let's go ahead and click on confirm and save and move along. Awesome. On to the next section. Over here, again, pre-written copy. Button can link to various places. All you need to do is click on update section and make those changes. On to the next section, the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your video store came to be, all the different things that you offer. Perhaps you only offer genuine copies of video games. Maybe put a little bit more details of the team running the show at your video game store. Do you also maybe buy and trade and sell second-hand video games? Put all the information over here. Your gaming customers would love to hear your story. Another great spot for a high quality image, but I'm leaving it as is because that image is pretty sweet. On to the next section, another great spot for a high quality image. Go ahead and choose one from the photo library or upload one of your own images. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of why your customers should choose you or the different services you offer. So perhaps you regularly host events like tournaments and stuff like that. Maybe you do repairs as well to consoles, pre-orders, maybe because your shop is run and owned by local gamers, so that is a big selling point. Go ahead and put the details over here. Another spot for a great image. That one is actually pretty suitable because I know this game is very popular. So I'm leaving it exactly the way it is. Over here, if you need to make amendments to those hours, the trading times, as well as your address, go ahead and change it by clicking on update section over here. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and connect it by clicking on this button over here. If you are struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available as well as a blog post over at www.multisites.com, as well as some great marketing tips for your small business. I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your video game store. Let's take one last look at it, how awesome it looks, how professional. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. So sign up for it. You've got nothing to lose. You don't need to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So give it a go. You don't need to know any coding, nothing like that. It's super simple. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future, please do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback.